Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I am Natasha. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Waatebagaa-Giizis. Waatebagaa-Giizis, leaves changing moon. That's right. And that's what we call this time of year. That's what we call September. Waatebagaa-Giizis, the moon of the changing leaves. Yeah. I don't know. What else? I saw something, a meme the other day. Oh, really? What'd you see? There was a picture of a tree, and it was changing colors. And it said, this is just to remind you how beautiful letting go can be. Oh, wow. That's really deep. All right, I like that. Okay, well, hey, just want to say, miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I am Natasha. And I will see you again. Igawabamin. Minowa. Oh, what? All right. One take. Get it out. We're pros now.